Next up, we're in Brisbane to check out a new build with plenty of character.
Inner city Brisbane is well known for its character-filled homes such as this one. What it's not well known for is its classic Hamptons such as this one, and this one is a beauty. It's a surprise, a little bit of Hamptons in the middle of Brisbane.
Yes, that's what the client's brief was. She wanted a sort of a mix or a hybrid between a classic looking Queenslander come Hamptons.
All right, mate, looks fantastic. Should we take a look?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, Michael, it's got all the trimmings of a Hamptons home. What exactly was the brief?
So traditionally, the Hamptons come from a colonial bungalow, which is a veranda add-ons to accommodate for warmer climates, so it fits the brief perfectly in Queenslander homes. From there, the looks that have generated from the Hamptons region themselves are of an opulent style, which has been applied to celebrity mansions on sprawling estates. Australia has embraced that luxe chic look, and as a result, we've adopted many of the characteristics with a contemporary twist.
Yeah, I think what you're saying is right. You know, you can mix that Queenslander style home with the Hampton style home, which is what you've done here perfectly.
It's a certain trait, there's characteristics which are fundamental, grand gables, fretwork and balustrading. There's also an emphasis on verandas, and also the choice of cladding is very imperative. So we go with neutral tones in the Linea board, the Hardie's Linea board, which has been ideally runs into sort of trims on a contrast white trim around windows and doors, which is an accent Hardie's product as well.
So the Hamptons at the moment is so popular, you know, that style, everyone seems to want that style. And I think, yeah, one of the main characteristics is that cladding. You know, it's that 16mm shadow line that everyone wants on the outside of their home.
Absolutely. And the other thing is fit for purpose, because as you can see here, we're sort of exposed with the topography. You know, they've got oceans, and it comes up from the bay that way, and also it comes in from the west. So the client's brief was pretty strict, that they wanted something that was durable, and with the Linea board in particular, the smooth finish and the FC products, it'll look a premium finish for many years to come.
Absolutely, and the James Hardie, that Linea product, well, it's FC, fibre cement, so it's not going to rot, it's not going to split. You know, you can paint it and it's going to look like that in 10 years' time.
Absolutely. It's sort of fire resistant, termite resistant, rot resistant, and also it manages any moisture perfectly. So ideally situated for something that's exposed like this.
Just looking at the kitchen, you know, Hamptons would be shaker cabinetry. You've got a dark grey cabinet, which is, again, Hamptons. That light fitting, this bench, and subway tiles.
Yeah, absolutely. And look, the clients, to their credit, they put the collage of things together. They revisited it when they sort of hit that note. They sort of went with it, and we sort of developed the design around the client. So it was very much a collaborative arrangement with the clients on this one.
Coming up to the facade of this property, I was surprised to learn that it was a new build, because you know, you've managed to incorporate so much character in that front.
One of the briefs was definitely they wanted, this is their forever home, so they wanted something that was going to date very well.
And let's talk about the challenges of the build. Obviously, sloping site, not ideal.
No, far from it, but that's the trade-off with an aspect like this. The site itself falls from front to back, 11 metres, and the design was obviously to incorporate best use out of that site.
Sometimes these split-level homes can feel a little bit pokey, but you've managed to maintain that open-plan living with those massive ceilings.
We were somewhat restricted in what we could build here, and obviously we came to the conclusion what was fit for purpose was to do a cut and fill arrangement. And as a result, we ended up sort of staggering the ground, but it gave us this unbelievable vantage point with huge ceilings down here.
Okay, and again, you've gone with the James Hardie Linea board down here just to keep that Hamptons feel?
Oh, absolutely. And also, because you can see, obviously, around here, we're exposed to the elements, it's best fit for purpose, and also meeting that client's brief with design.
All right, Michael, well, after this build, is Hamptons your favourite style of house to build?
Well, certainly on trend, huge market for it, and you can see why. The thing really appeals, it dates well, and I think it's going to be around for a long time.
All right, well, mate, awesome job. Thanks for showing me through.
My pleasure.